Welcome back to our channel, where we provide helpful tips and tricks to enhance your Snapchat experience. In today's video, we will guide you through a step-by-step process on how to see your friend list in Snapchat. If you're curious about who is on your Snapchat friends list, follow these simple steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app on your device. Look for the familiar Snapchat icon on your home screen or in your app drawer and tap to open it. Step 2. Tap on the account icon located in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your Snapchat profile. Step 3. Scroll down until you find the Friends section. Tap on My Friends to access your friend list. By following these steps, you can easily see your friend list in Snapchat and explore the connections you've made on the platform. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more valuable content. Remember, your friend list in Snapchat allows you to stay connected with your Snapchat contacts and engage with their stories and snaps. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks.